Hey guys, we're here at the SEMA show in the JKS booth, and I've got Justin here to tell us a little bit more about this evil machine behind us. Justin, what's up with this thing?
Yeah, so we knew this year at SEMA was going to be the year of the JL. Brand new Jeep launched. We need, one of the baddest machines here. So me and the owner of this Jeep and owner of Direct Off-Road, Pat Gerber, got together at King of the Hammers, and we sat down and we said, if we were to go to King of the Hammers, run the trails, camp, and rip through the desert and the rocks, what would we build? This was it.
So the King of the Hammers inspired this vehicle?
Absolutely. I mean, between the Fox 2.5 coilovers up front and the 3.0 race series shocks in the back, King of the Hammers inspired this beast.
Now, some of the people out there may not know what King of the Hammers is. Can you explain a little bit?
Sure, and actually for me, last year was my first year going, but Ultra 4 has gotten a hold of me and I can't let it go. It is basically the most awesome thing you can do with an off-road vehicle. We're racing in the desert and rock trails. It's absolutely amazing. Test the machine.
And I know you started out this project with King of the Hammers. What kind of R&D do you guys go through with your products?
Well, really, I've run the gamut in our company's JL this year, about 23,000 miles, including driving here, towing a trailer. Everything we do has got a ton of miles on it and a ton of trail riding before we even bolt it onto a Jeep that we might sell.
And I love the fact that you stand behind the product and you don't care if somebody is trying to beat it up, but you guys will take care of it.
Oh, absolutely. Our goal is for you to go out there and use it the way we designed it to be used. If you're on the trail and it's working the way it's supposed to be, that's what we want.
And what kind of new products have you guys got coming out?
Yeah, obviously, from what we can see on this Jeep, we've got our bolt-in coilover conversion in the front. That's a 12-inch travel, 2.5-inch diameter Fox coilover. And all of really our JL products, our upper and lower control arms, front and rear, track bars, Flex Connect, all manner of things JL. Every product that we've been looking at and working on and testing all year long, we're showing that off here at SEMA. And we actually have a few new things for the JK as well.
What do you got for the JK? What's new? Tell us about it.
All right, so a couple years ago, we launched a 2.5-inch diameter, 10-inch travel coilover for the front of a JK. We finally went ahead and did it and launched the rear this year for the JK. So now we can go coilovers all the way around on a Jeep JK.
Very nice. And is all this bolt-in?
Absolutely. All this, our style of doing things is looking for correct geometry, great ride and drive quality, but also ease of installation. Everything bolts right in.
What kind of warranty do you guys carry on your products?
We carry a full lifetime warranty against manufacturer defect, and we have a full service tech department standing by almost 24 hours a day if you hit me up on Facebook and, in our shop. So we're always there to cover anything that may or may not go wrong with a JKS product.
Justin, thanks so much for taking us around the world of the Jeeps today. I really appreciate it. See this thing at the King of the Hammers, jksmfg.com. See you guys next time. Stay tuned for more videos.